Hi, yes, welcome to my channel. This is Karthik from H7. Today I am going to give review about the Honor Band 5. This is Honor Band 5. This is a fitness band. Now I will start the review. And this is Honor Band 5. This is a fitness tracker. And this is time. And this is my wallpaper of this, and we can track our steps. Today I not tracked anything, so it coming 278. And this is Huawei's True 3.0 heart rate monitor, and SpO2 means hemoglobin in the blood, means the hydrogen percentage present in the blood. It shows that if it is above 90, we are good in health. And this is sleep monitor, and if we kept this to our hand and if we sleep, it on morning it shows how much time we sleep. And this is workout, outdoor run, indoor run for timer, outdoor walk, indoor cycle, elliptical means treadmill, and rower, boat rowing, swimming pool, and free training means gym, like exercise. And this is settings. Now I will show about this system. And charging is 59%. I will show charger also, how to keep charging. About Honor Band 5 CFO Mac SN firmware version, and in this updates also will come. Regulatory, see, model CRS MCMC, and they gave that Huawei Tech made in China, Huawei Technologies, from Singapore. And if I will restart this and I will show again, it shows name, and we off and on. See, like phone only, restart. It will be vibrate and on. See, Honor, nice look and very smooth to handle, very smooth touch. And there is so much use of this for fitness. If anybody trying to be fit, they can use this Honor Band 5. And now I will show some wallpapers. You have to download faces from your phone app. It is the app name is Huawei Health. In that we have to connect this. I have wallpapers, means faces. I can keep anything, but I like this analog watch, golden analog watch. If we connect Bluetooth for phone, it shows weather also. Now I will show it from phone. Okay. And this is Honor Band. Now I will show all features of this. And now I said all about this. And now I will show settings. We have timer here. Timer, stopwatch, faces, and if we click find phone, see, find this one phone here, and we can change brightness also, and battery system, reset, restart, power off, and do anything. And now I will show how to charge this, and I will show charger also. And here we can control music also. There is music controller. See, if we play music on our phone, if we on Bluetooth, we can control here. And this is charger, Honor Band charger, and I will show how to charge this. First we have to take this bands off. Here in this end we have a pick type, we have to take that out. See, and we have to remove this. And we have to keep this very safe. If it is gone, because it is very small, if it is gone, we have to buy another. And now I took off that, and now I have to charge this, and now I will show how to connect this charger. We have to keep charger here like this, and now I kept this, and I will show we have to keep this for cable, and we have to keep charging. And now I will show one feature of this. If we on heart rate, back side the green light will be on. This is a sensor, and we click on SpO2 means back side green and red, two mix and light will be on. And this is about Honor Band. Now I will fix this all and I will show again. And this is Honor Band, and this is available in Flipkart for 2,999 rupees. I will give the link in description, you can buy there. And this is about Honor Band 5. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. And for more videos, share the video to everybody and press bell icon for notifications from my channel. Thank you.